to begin with. You filming him?
You should see this monster devouring that rib like if he had...
My mom always tells me that he eats the chicken like that.
What a beast. What a beast.
That's without barbecue, because the barbecue he doesn't like.
Kid's about to eat the bone.
I left a lot of meat on that one though.
It was there, it's no longer there. Kiddo, te gusta? Te gusta jamón?
Mmm. Mmm.
Que rico.
I'll make ribs now.